Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a set using the giveaway that I have won from Shelly Loves Nails. Thank you so much, Shelly, for your giveaway. I know it's been a long minute, but I finally had the time to do this video. I actually did an initial video, and I had to scrap that because the focus was just so off. So I'm going to try this again. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I'm going to be testing out these Makartt polygels that I received by Shelly Loves Nails. I'm going to be doing like a color blocking with two of these polygel colors. I'm going to be making like a chevron, triangle shape, French smile line, and then I'm going to be filling the rest of it in with a clear. I'll have to get these color numbers. They're on the tubes, but I'll leave them in the description box below. So my take on these polygels are it's not that bad at all. It's a little softer for me than I'm used to, but I am using my Gelish monomer, so I feel like if I used anything else I might have gone insane because I don't like too soft of a polygel, but this is working out all right. I love the color for sure, and the consistency, although being a little softer than what I'm used to, I do like the consistency. And it's very malleable. So one thing with the polygel that I like using, which is Gelish polygel, it's nice and firm, but it does take a little extra to push it in place. This is easy to push around. The only thing is it very slowly levels off if you just keep watching it. So you might want to be aware of that. Now this is time lapse, so I am taking my sweet time, but I think that if I took too much of a sweet time, that the polygel would start running into the cuticle area, which is not what we need, so just keep that in mind. So I did take a look at the colors. This one here that I'm putting on is the Green-Eyed Monster, and then once I finish up these smile lines, I'm going to be moving on to Creature, which is like a clear greenish glass color. In between this application, I am going to be taking a file to the edges of my smile lines just to make it nice and crisp before I lay down the other colored polygel Creature. After I finish up this last nail here, I am going to take some filing to this. I'm going to manually file it to crispen up the edges. I'm also going to file down and balance the nails so that we can better reveal that pointed smile line. I'm also going to buff the nails to leave a nice smooth surface. And then we're going to move on to some rhinestone placement. So I'm going to take some Beetles rhinestone glue and I'm going to be putting them onto each nail. These crystals as well as some pearls. And before I place them on there, I'm going to put some Madam Glam top coat just to seal everything in and so that nothing falls off. I'm going to continue this again for each of the nails, and then we're going to come back and do some cuticle oil and the end result. And here is my end result of the Makartt Polygel nail set. It's giving me mermaid ocean vibes. Now I am going to do a part 2 to this video. I'm going to do my left hand side using some other Makartt polygels, so look forward to that. Well, thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And join me again next time. Thanks. Bye.